Place the microdermabrasion handle, glass tube, and spray bottle into the holder. Check the microdermabrasion handle for the pre-installed black rubber ring. If it's missing or damaged, replace it. Insert a piece of filter cotton into the microdermabrasion tip, then attach it to the microdermabrasion handle. Connect one end of the hose to the microdermabrasion handle and the opposite end to the suction port. The suction port is also compatible with the glass tube. To use the glass tube, simply replace the microdermabrasion handle with the glass tube. To use the spray bottle, disconnect the hose from the suction port, connect it to the release port, and attach the opposite end to the spray bottle. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Adjust the suction intensity according to individual endurance. Power off the instrument and disconnect the power cord. Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse face with cleanser. Apply toner to skin. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Microdermabrasion cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Recommended suction setting: set the suction intensity based on individual tolerance. Press the handle onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the handle and then move to the next spot. This applies to the forehead, nose, and chin. On the cheek, beginning at the chin, connect the applications on 2 to 3 spots in a line, repeating the process until you reach the temple. Glass tube, enhance cleansing effectiveness. During operation, cover the mini hole on the handle with your finger to prevent loss of suction. Press the handle onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the handle towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Spray bottle, hydrating and moisturizing. Prepare the spray bottle with a mixture of toner and serum in a 10:1 ratio. Spray upward from the chin. Spray towards the hairline on the forehead. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.